In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can use iMovie. Start by swiping down on your iPad screen and selecting iMovie. Start by pressing the plus button to create a new project. Then press Movie. Choose a video or photos to add to your movie. Once you've found the movie or photos you want, select it and then press the tick. Then, at the bottom, press Create Movie. If you want to add more photos or videos from your camera roll, you can do that by pressing the plus button to show the Add Media menu. Here you can see I added a picture from my camera roll. Now to add music, you just press the plus button again, and down the bottom you select the audio. Then you can choose theme music or sound effects. You can also record your voice and add it to your video by pressing the microphone button. Remember to press accept when you've finished recording, review, retake or cancel. When you've done all these things, you'll see that you've got a strip for your movie, a strip for your voice recording and a strip for the audio that you've added. Now press play to check your video. Once you're happy, press done. This will save your video to the iMovie library. Now share your video to Seesaw. Press the share button at the bottom and then find Seesaw. Remember to put it in your Steam folder. This is a picture of me that I created using Photoshop. And then here's a video of me just being silly, poking my tongue out.